Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Check Android version and free storage because big wallpaper packages need room. Once done, enable Install unknown apps for your browser or file app so you can sideload. Next, install a reliable live wallpaper engine. This lets your system host super style wallpapers. Make sure it supports depth and parallax. Finally, download the compatible Super Wallpaper package or port. You are now ready to open the wallpaper engine and import the package to apply the first live background. You import the Super Wallpaper into the live wallpaper engine and let it unpack. This is why you needed storage. Once imported, grant storage and overlay permissions so the engine can render and draw over the home screen. Also exempt it from aggressive battery optimization. Then, configure the wallpaper's depth and motion settings, tweak parallax, scale, and transition speed to match your device power. Make sure to assign it to home and lock screens as desired, and preview the animation before committing the change. You finalize by applying the wallpaper from the engine. Check both home and lock screens and observe performance. If animations stutter, reduce motion scale, lower resolution, or enable the engine's low power mode. These changes keep visuals smooth and save battery. If the wallpaper fails to load, clear the engine's cache, reinstall the package, and recheck Install unknown apps plus overlay rights. One key troubleshooting tip. Most issues are permissions or battery restrictions, so double-check those first and then
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.